Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
To start multiplayer, go to the multiplayer menu from the main lobby and choose your mode. Story Co-op supports 2 players and Scarescraper supports up to 8 players. For Scarescraper, pick either a 5-floor or 10-floor run to match the time you have. Select local or online to invite friends or join a public lobby, then assign hosts or let Matchmaker fill empty slots. Confirm character options and start. The game syncs progress only in Scarescraper per run, while Story Co-op shares a single save session. In co-op, one player is Luigi, and the second player controls Gooigi. Luigi uses the Poltergust G00 and Strawbulb to stun, and then vacuum ghosts, while Gooigi can slip through grates and cross hazards that Luigi cannot. Stun a ghost with the Strawbulb light, then use suction to reveal items, and finish with a slam or hold to pull objects. Communicate on who stuns and who vacuums. Assign one player to manage health items, and another to handle puzzle manipulation to speed floor clears and conserve time. To win, clear each floor by solving room puzzles, capturing required ghosts, and reaching the elevator or portal to advance. In Scarescraper, that means finishing all floors in the selected 5-floor or 10-floor set. Prioritize healing items and revive teammates quickly to avoid a group wipe, and share key items so the team can open doors without backtracking. Communicate enemy types, assign a puller and a puzzle solver, manage time per floor, and collect money for bonuses to maximize your score and secure the best team rewards.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.